Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to online class. I hope you are all safe. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have rough note, rule pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we recall today's class? Are you ready, my dear children? Just we have to utilize this opportunity. Okay, my dear children? Yes. In last class, we learnt about some side words. Do you remember that? Yes. Today, we are going to recall that side words. After that, you will write the self-test. Now, we have to recap that. Are you ready, my dear children? Yes. I will give you 5 seconds time. Just get ready. Take your rough note and then rule pencil. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. This and all last class side words. Do you remember that? Yes. You also read along with me, my dear children. Thought. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Next, watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Next. Next. N-E-X-T. Next. N-E-X-T. Next. Read. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Read. Met. M-E-T. Met. M-E-T. Met. Do you remember this, my dear children? Yes. After this class, we are going to write a self-test. Okay? Shall we go today's class? Yes. Today also we will see some side words. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Listen carefully. Help. Do you remember this whole word? Yes. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Help means what? Udavi. Help. You also read along with me, my dear children. H-E-L-P. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Let us move to the next word. What is this word? Yes, show. Show. Show means காட்டுதல், right? S-H-O-W. S-H-O-W. Show. S-H-O-W. Show. Right? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Keep. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. Keep means what? What is the Tamil meaning? Why? Keep there. Keep it in your bag. Right? Do you remember this? Yes. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. Let us move to the next word, my dear children. Shave. Save. Save means பாதுகாப்பு. S-A-F-E. Save. S-A-F-E. Save. Once again. S-A-F-E. Save. Next one. Ask. Ask. What is that? கேட்கிறது. I'll ask rule pencil to her. Right? A-S-K-S. Asks. A-S-K-S. Asks. Again, one time recall, my dear children. Help. Help. Show. Show. Keep. Keep. Save. Save. ask, ask. Now we will see some example sentence from the side words. Listen carefully, my dear children. After this, you also think about some example sentences. Okay? Yes. See this. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Yes. Next one. I will ask him about it tomorrow. I will ask him about it tomorrow. Next one. She was safe. She was safe again. She was safe again. Next. He felt safe and she saw. She felt safe and she saw. Do you remember this whole word, my dear children? Yes. Next. Keep to the left. Keep to the left. Keep to the left. Next one. We must keep at least one card. We must keep at least one card. Yes. Show me a better one. Show me a better one. Show me a better one. Next one. Why don't I show you? Why don't I show you? Next whole word. Help. Please help me. Please help me. Next. I offered to help her watch with her homework. I offered to help her with her homework. Yes, my dear children, once again recall what are the whole words here. Ask, ask, save, save, keep, keep, show, show, help, help. Yes, today's side words, this 5, my dear children. Once again, I saw that you will write 5 times in your notebook. Wait. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Next. Show. Show. S-H-O-W. Show. S-H-O-W. Show. Next. Keep. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. Save. S-A-F-E. Save. S-A-F-E. Save. Ask. A-S-K-S. Ask. So my dear children, today we learned 5 whole words, right? From last class we learned 5, right? Again one time recall that. After that what you have to do? You will write self-test. See this, my dear children, this is the last class side words, right? Thought. You also read along with me. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Next, watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Next, N-E-X-T. Next, read. R-E-A-D. Read. Met. M-E-T. Met. Yes, my dear children, this one you will write a self-test. You also think about some example sentence for the side words. Okay, my dear children. Thank you. Bye. Be safe.